Hi guys, it's Bosa. Welcome back to the channel. So for today's video, we'll be checking out the beautiful Alphen Boutique Hotel in Constania, Cape Town. This was a room tour recorded by Mims. Highly appreciated. Thank you, baby girl. First things first, this is what you get when you walk into the room. Like the actual hotel room. Guys, this room was like a house, literally. That's what the bed looked like. This is what the lighting looked like. I feel like this was the most modern hotel we slept at on our entire trip. We had a sitting area. We also had a vanity or like a dressing up area. And then this is what the balcony looked like. The balcony was a bit small compared to the other balconies we had, but the views were to die for. Loved the views. This is what the room looked like when you came through the balcony. We had a coffee machine, a kettle, and this recorder again that was also in the Gorgeous George rooms. If you want to check out that video, I will leave it in the link above. In here, we had some dishes, some wine glasses, some cups, and some things to make your tea. There were also these biscuits by Angel. I don't remember eating these, but that's a story for another day. We also had salt and pepper and some creamers. On the other side, we had a safe and a mini fridge. In the mini fridge was some water, both still and sparkling water. There was also some milk. Now, I don't know if they charge for the milk because quite frankly, we did not use these things. We were always out. I highly suggest that if you're going to like this kind of hotel, spend some time in the hotel because now that I look at it, we just paid to sleep here. We didn't really use all the things that were here, but I digress. If you know me, you know that I like marble. All my phone casings have been marble since 2019 or 18. So I love that about this. They had a marble theme going on their bedside tables and I think their TV stand as well. The room also had a lot of storage and it came with very many hangers, which again, we highly appreciated. There was this throw on for the bed that we ended up using because it was the thick of winter and it was cold in the night. More storage and some things to like clean your shoes. There was an option to heat your floors, even though the room was covered in thick luxury carpet. I also want to believe that the linen was Egyptian cotton. Just putting it out there. This is a view from this corner of the room. There was an art piece in that other corner and some more storage on the other side. So ideally you get storage on either sides of the bed. There was an umbrella, more hangers. Highly appreciate the umbrella because Cape Town weather during the winter was not playing. More things for the other person in the room to clean their shoes. The dressing mirror. This is where I recorded my reel. If you don't follow me on IG, I will leave something here, a shameless plug. And shout out to Mims. So when you walk through, like as you're going out of the room, there's this like walk through corridor with a painting, big fat painting. And on the table, they had left us a note and some chocolates. Actually, these were not chocolates. There were some luxurious snacks, like some baby girl bougie things. So there was a switch right here where you can heat your towels. And the towels, okay, first of all, this is the first bathroom. Yes, I said first because there are two. So there was this towel rack that was heated. I think we also had that in Latitude. I'll leave a link somewhere up. That was the lighting right there. And then in the first bathroom, there was a bathtub, a mirror opposite the bathtub, and on the other side, like the towel racks. And then there was this soap. I think it was shower gel, lotion, and sanitizer. Don't remember. There was also another like art piece just in case you want to look at art while you take your bath. And there was a sink to get ready, brush your teeth, do, what you need to do with some lights on the sides. Guys, I'm going to stop talking and just let you see what was in this room because I cannot explain anymore. There were shower robes. Oh, yes. Let me just say one more thing. The towels here were Egyptian cotton. Everything in this place was luxury. So yeah, I'm just going to add some music and thank you so much for watching. I'll show you the other bathroom. Love and blessings. See you in the next one.